Hi everyone. As we know, noise figure can be used to characterize the degradation of the signal-to-noise ratio between the input and output of an amplifier, mixer, up and down converter, or an entire signal chain. Ceyear noise figure analyzer can support traditional BNC and smart noise source. This is our high-performance noise figure analyzer and the smart noise source. When using smart noise source, the ENR data can be automatically downloaded into the instrument. You can use the menu to check the ENR table if you want. The noise figure analyzer has 3 different working modes for 3 different devices and test: the amplifier, down converter, up converter. Now, let me show you how to test an amplifier. We use Ceyear low noise amplifier to make the demo. The working frequency is from 2 GHz to 18 GHz, and the gain is around 30 dB. We set the start and stop frequency to 2 GHz and 18 GHz separately. The scanning point is set to 21. Because the gain of the amplifier is around 30 dB, therefore, we connect a 23 dB attenuator to the amplifier's output to protect the noise figure analyzer. Secondly, we connect the noise source to the noise figure analyzer and calibrate it. The instrument is in calibration process now. There are several combinations of amplifier and attenuator channels inside the noise figure analyzer. The calibration process can measure and save different channels' self-noise. After performing the measurement, the instrument will automatically subtract the instrument's own noise and then get an accurate result. After calibration, we can see the gain and the noise figure is about 0. We insert the amplifier together with the 23 dB attenuator into the measurement chain. We can use the menu to compensate the attenuation value to the result. We can select the menu of after DOT fixed and set it to 23 dB. The measurement result is shown in the screen. We can see that the gain is around 20 dB from 2 GHz to 18 GHz, and the noise figure is about 3 dB at the cursor frequency. We select Graph plus Table Displaying mode. We can see that the noise figure is displayed in graph in the top. The bottom part shows the noise figure and the gain of the 21 scanning point. That's all about the amplifier testing using noise figure analyzer. We select mini-circuit wideband frequency mixer as the DOT. The model is ZX05153S+. Let's see how to test a typical mixer, the frequency down converter. We select the working mode of down converter and set the sideband as LSB. We're using a signal generator as a LO, the local oscillator. The frequency is set to 10 GHz and the output power is set to 10 dBm. The RF start frequency is set to 7 GHz and the stop frequency is 9 GHz. Then we get a IF from 3 GHz. And we set the frequency sweeping point to 11. Then we calibrate it. We select the Calibrate menu and then perform the calibration process. After calibration, we insert the mixer into the measurement chain according to these setups, and then you can get the noise figure and the gain automatically. Of course, you can change the scale to see the details at different frequency points. We can see from the screen that the mixer's noise figure is around 6 dB, and the gain is -6 dB. Thanks for watching this video.
For more information on electronic measurement instruments, please visit the official website of China Electronics Technology Instruments Company Limited at www.ceyear.com.